I start my day in silence. Where are my slippers? Where's my notebook? My dreams, write them down. Write down your dreams. Write down your dreams. Don't forget to write down your dreams.
I like to put my clean plates away before I do anything.
More silence. And now, it's time to go. Journey to where
Notice that the pineapple is a little bit really ripe, but that's when adding sugar becomes really handy because it makes it sweeter, and it removes any bitter taste, so I wouldn't have to throw away the pineapple. These little sponges, they work really good. They basically absorb water really good, or whatever that you have on your counter. You can use them to wipe, and like I'm using wiping the juice, and then I wash it, and then when the pad gets dirty, I can clean it with soap and water and keep on using it. And then those are very popular in Sweden. That's what we were waiting for, the sugar. Well, one thing you will notice that I'm not using white sugar. I prefer to use raw sugar or sugar on the raw because it still have the molasses and other nutrient in there. But when you look at some other YouTubers like Cole, actually Vegetable Police, he uses looks like white sugar, but for me, I like to use raw or sugar in the raw because it's more like sugar cane juice that is dehydrated. So I guess maybe any sugar that you can use is as good because the main important thing is the fruit.
So, usually the peach is not that sweet, so that's the reason why the sugar becomes really handy. Also, what I noticed, the pineapple is kind of ripe, very ripe. So, with the sugar, extra sugar, it helps to increase the flavor. So that's the way I do my sugar diet when I'm eating fruits. And but smoothies is a little bit different because I use frozen vegetables. So next time when I make a smoothie, I'll show a demonstration how I put my sugar. You'll notice I don't use white sugar, but I do use sugar in the raw or raw sugar, not brown sugar. I use basically dehydrated sugar cane, which is raw sugar or sugar in the raw.
I want to make it clear, even though it is called a sugar diet, but it's actually a fruit diet, and then sugar is added to enhance it, the flavor and its strength.